In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. The first method is to temporarily disable Microsoft Defender. Open the Windows search bar and type Windows Security, then open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings. From here, you can turn off Real-Time Protection. If available, you can also turn off Cloud-Delivered Protection. Keep in mind that these settings are temporary, and Windows may automatically turn them back on to help protect your PC. The second method involves making changes to the Windows registry. Editing the registry incorrectly can cause system problems, so only make changes if you understand the risks and have backed up your system first. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. If prompted, click Yes. Navigate to HKE, Local, Machine, then open Software, Policies, and Microsoft. From there, follow the appropriate Microsoft documentation or your organization's guidance if you need to configure Microsoft Defender through supported policies.